Hello, 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 and welcome to Live with the Lodge. My name is Michael, and I'm going to be your host and mixologist for today's Mocktail Mix-Off. Now, New Year's Eve is right around the corner, and I, for one, am super excited to celebrate the end of 2020. One of the things I love to do to make sort of family gatherings just that much more special is make a fancy drink that everyone can enjoy together. So today, I'm going to show you how to make 2 specialty mocktails straight from the bar at Great Wolf Lodge. And what's great about these is that you can make them with alcohol or without, so the parents and the kids can all join in on the fun. Now, before I start, I know I'm missing something, or someone, because it wouldn't be a mocktail mix-off without our special co-host, Wiley the Wolf. Wiley! And everybody give it up for Wiley in the comment section. So Wiley, thank you for being here. How are you feeling today? What do you mean? What's that about? What's the matter? You're not nervous, are you? No, you're gonna be amazing. You are going to be great. You know why? Because this is all for fun. Would it make you feel better if we did a cheers before we started? Okay, grab your glass, Wiley. And everyone at home, grab your glass as well. Raise them up. And cheers to a new year filled with quality family time, big hugs, new adventures, and lots of laughter. Would you like to add anything? No? All right then, cheers. Okay, so now we are going to start making our first cocktail. Now this one is called Holiday Escape. I love this one because it has a lot of, sort of tropical citrusy flavors. Wiley, can you help me list off all the ingredients? All right, so for this one, we're gonna need Jim Beam vanilla, Cointreau orange liqueur, peach Real, orange juice, lime wedges, ginger beer, Sprite, cinnamon sticks, mint sprigs. What happened? You run out of fingers? That's okay, we're almost done. And of course, ice. All right, now you can find all of these at your local grocery store and a local liquor store by you. To make this cocktail, I'm gonna be doing the alcoholic version. And Wally over here is gonna be doing the one without any booze, for the kids. Now you wanna start off with ice. We've already placed the ice in our shaker to make it a little bit easier on Wally and I. So, first things first, Jim Beam vanilla. Boom. Second, Cointreau orange liqueur. And now, Wiley, you can start making your cocktail as well since you don't have any alcohol in it. We're going to do some orange juice. We are going to do some peach Real. Now this one's gonna get stuck in the tin a little bit, so you just want to give it a little jingle. All right, great job. Now we're gonna need 2 lime wedges in each cocktail. I'm gonna squeeze Wiley's because he doesn't like to get his hands dirty. All right, there we go. Am I doing a good enough job? All right, I'm gonna put your lid on for you. And now my favorite part is the shake. You're gonna wanna shake really, really hard, but be careful. You know what, should we show them our shaker dance? All right, hit it. 5, 6, 7, 8. That was great. Can you get a high five? Double high five, look at that. It's more than I expected. Now, we're gonna grab our most festive and biggest cup we have. Now here at the Great Wolf Lodge, we've got these wonderful tall glasses. What's up? What are you showing me? Oh, they light up. Look at that. Special button underneath. That's pretty great. Haha, okay. So we take the top off of our shaker very carefully, and we want to dump all of the ingredients into the cup. You need help with that? I got you. What are friends for, huh, Wally? Look at that. Perfect. Now we want to top both of these off with some fizzy, bubbly ingredients. A little bit of Sprite. A little bit of ginger beer. And finally, we are going to garnish these with some mint sprigs. Well, actually cinnamon sticks, and then mint sprigs. Now, garnishes are little festive decorations that we put on top of drinks to make them look good and taste even better. What's up? Oh, you need help, absolutely. Actually, let's top this off with a little bit more Sprite for the little ones. Okay. Some cinnamon sticks. Yep, some mint sprigs. slap the mint to open up the mint flavor and scent. These look fantastic. You ready to taste them? Here we go. This is really good. Yeah. Wow. This one is called the Holiday Escape. You got that? Perfect. Now, that's the end of round one. Right now, we're gonna move on to drink number 2. The second one is called Jingle Juice. Now, at the Great Wolf Lodge, this one is made without any alcohol, but for the parents at home, if you want to put a little vodka in it, you can, because it tastes super, super great. And this one is super simple. Again, we're gonna use our shaker, and we're just gonna build the cocktail right in it. So, we're gonna start off with some Sprite. I'm gonna follow it up with a little tiny bit of cranberry juice. There you go. Killing it, Wiley. That was some apple juice, a little bit of lemonade, and just a couple squeezes of grenadine. There you go. I'll take care of your grenadine for you. There you go. All right. And you know what? Since I'm making the adult one, I'm gonna add some vodka to mine. All right. Perfect. Now, since we have a lot of fizzy, bubbly components in here, we don't want to shake it too hard because the top's gonna pop off, and even though that looks super fun, it's also super messy. So we're just gonna do a little tumble. Wiley, you think we should show them our tumble dance? All right. Can I get music one more time? 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. How'd that one feel? There you go. All right. So, take the top off. Now we're gonna grab our very special festive cups that we have at the Great Wolf Lodge. Now, do these cups light up too? Look how great that is. So all of our cups light up. These are fantastic. Different colors too. Ha. Now these have a special top to them just in case you want to boogie woogie on the dance floor for, New Year's. There you go. Let's pour these directly into the cup. Place that right there. Place the lid right on top. Need some help with that? No, okay, you're independent, I get it. All right. Now we are going to take a sip. Cheers. That's really, really good. Yummy, huh? All right. Those are 2 specialty cocktails. Now, everyone at home, you decide which one is your favorite. So just leave a comment below. Wiley, now that you and I are here, which one is your favorite? Oh, the Jingle Juice. That makes sense because it's very simple, but it's delicious. You know what? I think my personal favorite is gonna be the Holiday Escape. I love the garnishes. I love the tropical flavor. It makes me feel like I'm on a beach, so much so I'm gonna have another sip. That one was better than the first one. Well, listen, team, that is our show. You can find all these recipes at the Great Wolf Lodge blog, link below, or at the bar at any of our locations. We hope you had fun with us today because we really enjoyed making these cocktails with each other, but especially for you. What's up? You want to dance again? He wants to dance again. Okay, so we're gonna dance again. 5, 6, 7, 8.